Nyama.
He doing alright. He doing alright. He got to do right. See, he doing all that trying to drag it. He need a water break. Water break. Give him a water break. Water break. See, he trying to do all that trying to drag it. You ain't there yet. You got to crawl for you out.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
He got to crawl before he right. Let me see. Give it to me. We got to make sure you do good, though. You did good? You did good, though, Trey. Let me see. He needs some hot tea. Yeah, they say give him hot tea. Switch the song. Oh, he got to learn them first. Oh, you know what? I got one song. Come on, do your song. All the perfect days. Come on. Come on.
No weed. Man.
All right.
Man, we need some pack. You got
Come on. You got to put that food down. Put the food down and get to your fan. These your fans. Come on. Your supporter.
You got to look how many.
All right. You got one. Hey, y'all. Be quiet. Hey,
Chill, y'all. Chill.
He about to sing.
Spotlight, bro.
All right, come on. Come on.
I want to know where he going. My bad.
It's my baby. It's my baby.
On a perfect day,
Okay.
I know that I can count on you. And that's not possible.
Ooh.
Tell me, can you weather the storm? 'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me.
You better sing, boy.
Through the good times and bad times, she will always be right here.
Sing it, baby.
Sunny days.
That's my baby.
Everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Let's go.
Storms will come. This we know for sure. This we tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Feeling that, huh?
Love unconditional.
He come with sex.
I'm not asking just of you. And that's not possible. Tell me, can you? Bro, come on. Tell me, can you weather the storm?
He happy. Your brother proud of you. Your brother proud of you.
Stand by me. Ooh, yeah. When it's tough, she won't run. She will always be right there for me. Sunny days. Everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the
Come from right here. Come on. Come on. Come from right here.
Storms will, I know, all the days won't be perfect. But tell me, can you stand the rain? Can you stand the rain? No pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I love you. Tell me, baby, ooh, would you be there for me? Oh, come on, baby. Let's go get wet. Can you stand the rain, rain? Ooh. Can you stand it? It's kinda cold, but I know I'ma be right there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
I even got the labels on here. Yeah. Hit me up.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.